Hi guys, Karen Sullivan here. Let me try to get myself situated. I guess I could move the camera instead. There we go. But I still need to move a little bit more so you can see me. Because anyway, so we're going to talk about foam rolling. I have my foam roller here. I have a rolling pin to show you, and then I have one of these balls. I can't really see. It's so worn off, but it's a brand, and I'll move it closer to the camera so that you can see. And it helps to get the muscles to release. And this I use on my neck. I also use it like under my shoulder blades a little bit when they're really tight. So let's see if I can get down here and show you what I do. Okay, so on my neck, I just put it here, and can you see me? Can you even see me? I have to readjust this camera, I think, for this. Pardon me as I do this. Sorry, nobody to be my cameraman. Okay, all right, here I am. Okay, so I'm gonna lay flat on my back, and all right, using this under my neck, just like that, and roll. And it helps to eliminate the tension in my neck. This earlier, my earlier video today, I was using my hands in sort of a self-massage. This does it, and I can really dig in a little bit deeper on those muscles in my neck. It doesn't work so hot on the sides. It's really just for the back, and then under my shoulder blades, I just let it roll down there and kind of lay back. Oh, golly day, that feels good. Go to the other side of my spine. I never do it on my spine. It hurts on the bone. It hurts a lot on the bone, so I don't do that. But this will help to eliminate that strain. Now, truthfully, you're supposed to do the rolling and then afterward do the stretches. And I'm not doing it in the right order really today. I just thought I would like to show you some foam rolling. And of course, if you don't have a foam roller at home, here comes the cat. There we go. If you don't have a roller at home, this is not the time to go and try and get one. But you can use a rolling pin, okay? Ava, don't let me roll on your little feet, okay? Watch your feet. Watch your feet. So I like this too for my back, for my low back, and to stretch in my hip flexors. So I just find a place, can you see me? Partially. And I just lay, and I work about a 2 or 3 inch area at a time, and then go pull it back up, push back up, and then let it go down. And it helps it to get to release, okay? If I come up here to about across my hips, then pull my knees in, and I can roll over on the side, get that myofascial release in through there. Okay, go to this side. And I like this 36-inch roller because you can work down into your IT band on either side. Okay, one leg at a time. Getting the hip flexor stretch. I like to get in here. It sort of gets that sacrum to release. Did you see my body pop? That was that release down there in the low, low, low back where the sacrum is. Okay. And you can sit on this or roll this way to get through your lats. A lot of different ways you can use it. So the rolling pin, I've mentioned it several times. Roll that out of my way. Rolling pin used just like you do if you're rolling dough. You just roll it like that. That feels good on my quads. And then you can also do the back of your legs for your hamstrings and down your calf for release, and also in through the side of your leg, in here to release those muscles and the tendons in the side of your knees. That's a little short one, just a little ditty. Thanks, guys.